What's up Twitch, what's up YouTube? I'm doing a Cavaliers rebuild until we win a championship. Yeah. I'm trading away Karis LeVert probably. I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, no,
Mitch Rob
you need a
is
center now.
Aldi. No, Mitchell Robinson's a center. I need a small forward now. I might get Draymond Green because he's also defense.
Yeah. Wait.
Changes
Okay, I have
to the
Boban.
roster.
I'm getting Boban.
Of course you're getting Boban.
I love Boban.
I'll offer you 435 2-year.
And Carmelo's like what?
Either one's good.
80?
Carmelo's pretty good. but
Carmelo's
he's just,
an
like,
80
he's
maybe?
old.
I can mute everyone. I can remove you.
Don't. You can or can't?
I can.
Well, don't.
Okay, I won't.
1-31, baby. Okay.
I'm not making the playoffs.
Embiid is your finals, or your MVP, not finals MVP. Who is Johnny Davis?
Johnny, he's the 10th overall pick.
He dropped 24.6 points, 6.7 rebounds, and 5.6 assists.
Yeah, I've seen him
won Rookie of the Year.
I know. What? That doesn't make any sense.
He's
bro.
an 82.
Why is he an 82? You
Why
need
did he
to
progress
fix
that
your
much?
roster, Tyler.
No, I had his potential at like an 86.
Can I say your name?
Yeah.
Okay.
Giannis. Obi Toppin most improved. Yes, sir. He's a 79. Sick. Ime Udoka. Okay, coach of the year.
Bro.
Harden's on first team.
What?
Yes. I'm
Oh,
simulating
I'm
first
in the
round.
playoffs.
Yeah, of course you made it. Come on. Oh, 2-2.
No,
We're gonna get a Simcast
I
game.
was the playing team. I was the playing team.
No,
I'm going
Simcast
against
game and
Philly.
we're
I
down
can't wait to
3-2.
lose.
So if it's a 3-2 series, just do Simcast, I would say, because that's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
All right.
It's 2-2.
Cavs, come on. Might get some
3-2.
gameplay in here.
Cavs
Holy
got
cow, we're
eliminated.
smoking them. We are going
I'm out. I
into.
got out. Eliminated.
We are going into game 7. Come on, Cavs. Dang, bro, Cavs are smoking them.
Can you win a
Yes,
championship, please?
sir. I'm playing the Celtics, who not really changed their roster. Great. I'm playing the Celtics, though. Okay.
Are you in
I'm gonna
the
lose,
finals
right?
yet?
2-0, 3-0. We just got swept. Oh. I got the first pick of the second round, and it's good.
What?
It's
Who's in
very
this
bueno.
draft,
This
bro?
Hunter. Wait. Oh, I don't know who to get now.
We have the first pick. Amoni Bates goes
Amoni.
first. I don't know. Amani Bates. It doesn't matter.
Nick Smith.
Darius.
Victor went 4th. You can get Victor.
Oh, get Victor! Let's go!
Oh!
They took Chris
bro.
Livingston.
Oh my. Okay. Chris Livingston's like pretty good though, and they never stay. And yep, as I suspected, they all left. Bad this season, but I'm winning the championship next season. But Montrezl Harrell, welcome to the team. Saban Lee, welcome to the team. Oh my God. Finessed. Theo. Okay. Should I watch it or no?
Or Giannis Antetokounmpo.
I'm giving up so many picks right now. Jonathan Isaac, that's
bro,
the defense.
Zion, bro.
Zion Williamson wanted him, which I don't. Trey Jones, he's a 78. 46 and 36, and Luka wins MVP. Big shocker there. Let's at least get a Simcast game.
Are you in the
1-0.
playoffs?
Up 2-0, 2-1, 3-1. Oh, 3-2. Simcast.
I haven't won a. Okay, I won one game since the.
Oh
Never
my
mind.
god,
I'm
bro.
winning.
At least I'm doing good. Come on. Yes, sir. No! I didn't even jump in. I was simulating too fast. We lost by 3 in overtime.
Did you
Oh,
get
it's 3-3.
eliminated?
It's 3-3. No, it's 3-3 in the series.
Okay, good.
We're gonna lose 3-1 in the series. Watch it happen. Oh my god. It's happening. Come on. I forgot, sir. Mobley's the best on my team now. That's not good. Dang, my
I
team is
traded
not
Evan
good.
Mobley.
Why? I'm gonna take Giga Murray. Jabari Smith, welcome to the team. Doing that. Are you okay with that?
What?
D Rose, welcome to the team. What do I have to give up for him? I'm gonna do that. Yes, that's actually okay. Bye. Boom. Alright, I'm just simulating it. I'm doing that. Jabari 1. Finney Smith. Greg Brown, welcome to the team. Sam Barnett. Miles McBride, sure. I'll do that. Paul George, yeah. Boom. Offs. Hopefully I don't make the same simcast mistake as I did before. And we just got swept. Wow. Probably wasn't he? Oh my god. Victor's in 80. Oh my god, bro. What have I... Aiton's pretty good also, so... I'll take Paul George. Isaac for the defense and height, I guess. I'm just trying to get a well-rounded team. I gotta turn my game volume down. Luke Kennard. Bobby Portis. I'm gonna do the Nerlens Noel. Boom. I'm just gonna... Probably gonna go for Zubac. Okay, yeah, I'm going Robert Williams here. Boom. And then... Boom. Here anyways, so... I'm going to Mari Bailey. I'm probably gonna do this trade. This trade's probably gonna be the best. Ooh, and a decently young player. I'll take that. Nick Smith, welcome back to... And I'll do that one. Malachi Flynn's not that. That's a good fit for my team. The Knicks. Alright. Down 1-0. 1-1. 2-1. 3-1 us. Nice little gentleman sweep. Yes, sir. And Indiana. Who do they have? I didn't even check out the Knicks team. Tyrese. I think, honestly, I don't know if I'm more progressing. I think we could win. Wait. Who's our... Is anyone injured? Colin Sexton. No. And that's why Chris Dunn's starting at point guard. 1-1. 2-1 them. 2-2. 3-2 us, simcast game. Simulate. Okay, they got this. Yeah, they got it. Let's see. Let's make it to the conference finals, and it looks like we'll lose. Dang it! Player progression. Now that I look at this team, it looks much worse than before. Oh god. Screw it. Final season, I gotta go all out. Oh. Cam's a shooting guard who can score, and I need that. And welcome to the team. And Jimmy, I guess. I'll do this. Alright, I'll take Gafford. What's D'Lo doing? I'm doing that. Seed. Milwaukee, we should be able to beat them. We smoked them in one of our games, so. Great. Great. I'm not gonna simcast it. Okay. Okay. LeBron James Jr., okay. Oh. This team's gonna be difficult. I think we are the better team here, I feel like. But that Bucks series made me way less confident. Okay. Sweep them. Got it. Come on, Orlando. Dang it. You know what the Hornets look like. Come on. 1-0, 2-0, 2-1, 3-1. And we're in the finals. Gentlemen's sweep. Playing Houston with Jalen Green, Jabari Smith, James Wiseman. I've made so many trades with this team, and I think, honestly, not the better team by a little bit. Just by a little. I think we're, like, evenly matched. But, I mean, if we could beat the Hornets... Oh. Yes! Yes! Comeback from 3-1. That is one way to end it. Honestly, kind of wish I simcasted it. Bam Adebayo Finals MVP. Oh my god. Yes, sir. That's it for today's stream.